Okay, so hello everyone. Happy Saturday. Welcome to my channel. We are going downtown again for Saturday market. Sunday and Mikey are with me. And look at how cute Sunday is. She has her little Christmas outfit on. My beautiful city. There is a place I'm coming to for a reason. It's for this Boise Bacon Company. It is the best bacon I've ever had, and it's so yummy. So I'm coming to get a couple packs of that. One for a gift and one for us, because it is so good that we are treating ourselves. It's kind of expensive. It's like $12 a bag. Can you believe that? But it's Christmas time, and I will be giving us a treat. Hey. Come on. Mikey and Sunday. Wait. Okay. Come on. Come on. We have such a beautiful city. There is not a lot of homeless people, especially in the winter time. They have shelters. It's very clean. These are apartment buildings. Come on, Sunday. Come on, baby. And they're due for a morning walk anyway, because we haven't been out. Sun is out today. It's cloudy, but it's not inversion like we've had for the last couple weeks. Got to get Sunday reeled in here. Sorry about that. Okay, there we go. So I'm doing this one-handed. It's just me today. I have my hands full. Come on. This is the other side. We were on that side last week. Now we're on this side. We have these quaint little restaurants all through here. In the summertime, this is like booming. I mean, all these outdoor sitting places. This is the Basque neighborhood, Basque Museum over there, and they have in this street right here, they always have it blocked off for weddings. It's really cool when you have a wedding. I have to fix Sunday. Hold on. Hey, what's going on? Should we fix you? Should we fix you? Are you like, there we go. Are you fixed yet? Okay. They get wound up. He needs to be groomed. We have an appointment to have him groomed in a couple weeks. Now we're walking down this little alleyway to get to the marketplace. We didn't have dogs with us last week. Not as cold this week as it was last week. It was pretty cold last week. We're gonna go right over to the bacon place. Hopefully he's in the same spot. Yeah, there it is. The bacon place. Right here. Hey, we loved your bacon so much we came back for more.
Oh, wonderful.
Oh,
I'm like, should I say cheese?
Yeah, say cheese.
Oh,
this is like advertising you.
should be advertising you. You're
I know,
adorable.
right? With my doggies.
And you need to take those guys over to Two Paws.
To where?
Two Paws?
Where's, oh, is that over here?
Yeah, it's right behind me, the last booth on that
Okay,
side.
awesome. We'll do that.
They got treats for doggies.
Oh, perfect. Would you like a treat?
Is that here?
Yeah. So we're gonna buy our bacon.
And you...
We got doggy treats. And we got the bacon. And it's kind of slow down here today, not very many people down here. We got our bacon. Music. Here, look in this bed. I don't know. She's got a little tutu on. It is slow down here today. Hey, baby. Come on. There's usually more. And then Garlic Goddess is where we came last time. We get this every few months.
One on the corner.
Yes.
Anyway. It's a juggling act with these two babies. But I got it done. We're gonna head back to our car. It's like going shopping. And I'm always for buy local. I am for the small business owners. Buy local, whatever you do. Okay, I got home from my Saturday marketplace walk with the dogs. And I'll show you a couple things. I forgot I had this. This was apparently in my tree from last year, and I forgot we had it. And so it's actually stuffing that the birds can use for their nests. So it looks like they've plucked some out. You can see where they plucked it out. With all the leaves, apparently it was hidden, and then when the leaves all fell off this tree, there it was. So it's perfect timing. Yeah, just like the feathers from the chickens when they were molting, they use them for their nests. And let me show you this tree right here. This tree has a ton of birds' nests in it. This is where they all live in the winter. That right there. And I've gotta trim that. That's a rose bush. I gotta trim that back. And we still have some work to do out here. So what I'm doing now, and we feed the birds all winter. They need food. So there's 1, 2, 3, and then the one in that tree. Also, so what we're doing now is I'm putting lights on my greenhouse. Can you see the little lights? They're on. And they're gonna stay up there year round. Yeah, so fun. And then I'm gonna come out here and I'm gonna feed the chickens some kale. I tell you, this kale is so resilient. I didn't even realize this kale. Look at, was gonna do this all year round. So I'm gonna get some kale. Let's just get a bunch off the tree here, the kale tree. And we're gonna feed the chickens. Just throw it out to them. Just gonna get in a handful. And I'm going to bring them out to the chickens. It's hardy, I tell you. And so another reason why we're doing the rock, and we didn't get to this part, is just mud. Oh, there's just too much mud around. And we have to put that barrel someplace. You guys want some kale? Here, I'm just gonna throw it into them. Okay, here's some kale. They love it. Greens. They're all healthy. There's Dodo. Here's the oldest one. Yeah. That one's Judy. She's my smallest bird. Judy. That's Big Judy and that's Little Judy. Hi, Chuck. I think I might have to spray him. I think I might do that. That's a pretty one. Hi, pretty girl. Oh, I gotta spray him. Okay. I can't really get a hold of them until tonight. When they're all perched, I kind of get a hold of them. She needs to be sprayed. Okay. That's one thing I have to do now. Oh well. Gotta be done. I don't want them sick this winter. And I have to put my Saturday line down. I have not done that. That's gonna be today. I've got to do that. Put the Saturday line down. So anyway, thanks for coming with me this morning, joining my channel, and what's going on? All right. It's cloudy, no sun today. That's a nice tree right there. My neighbors. So everyone have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.